This is part 8 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit build, and today we're going to be working on steps 25, 26, and 27, which is to mount the servo. So let's start right here. We're going to need a servo, and we also need this tree right here, which is going to be the servo saver. And we're also going to need the contents of bag C. We'll see which ones. So let's go ahead and find out which one of these three, fits onto my servo. It's not gonna be that one. It should be this one right here. We're also going to need this piece right here. This is going to be A1. That's a different tree, so that's all we need. We need P1 also, which is this. We're going to need this. So we need to find the ball connector right here, and we're going to use a box wrench. Make sure your servo is centered, and then we're going to put this on perpendicular, and then we're going to slide this piece on. Okay, and then the servo saver itself, and then this spacer, and we're going to find a screw. I have a feeling this is going to be this. Yeah, that looks and feel pretty good for my servo setup right here. Pretty happy with that. So let's go ahead and move to the next page. And we're going to be putting together the chassis. Just going to be these two pieces, I believe. We're going to put these two together like that. And there's also this piece right here, B5. And that's going to come together like this. So let's go ahead and put a couple screws into this first. All right. And then on this side, all right, and then just one screw through. Looks like it's going to be that hole right there, right here. Okay, looks like we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going to come down here. And let's hold this properly. So it should be like that. Okay, and this I believe is for the antenna, which I don't need. I'm not going to have an antenna on my receiver. So we need to find these two pieces, C7. Then BB2 is going to be a longer screw. So that looks like one. And that's the other one. So these two. And then these are BB16. They're just plain washers. Looks like it's going to be those. So let's grab this, put that through here. Make sure our servo is oriented properly through here. Then it's going to go through this hole right there. And then on the other side of that is going to be this. And there's that little tab there. That's going to fit inside there. Really straightforward, actually. And then gonna do the same over here. And that's it. Really straightforward installation of the servo. Really simple, and again, we don't need the antenna. But if you were going to do the antenna, it's going to be one of these silver screws, I believe. It should be this one if you were going to use the antenna. Alright. So I believe that's it. That's 25 through 27. We installed the servo on the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit. We'll continue with part 9 with installing the rest of the electronics, the ESC and the receiver, and connecting it to the motor and everything. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.